Just got to show you this beautiful fulgurite. Look at this baby. Wow, wow. Just a big old flat differential plate there. Aren't those flat knuckles awesome? And look, it was splitting into a branch. Awesome. You can see why people think these are petrified wood, right? It's just sand struck by lightning turned into a rock, the shape of electricity. Beautiful, beautiful. I'd say this one is museum quality. It is outstanding. Gorgeous. And the colors. Look at these colors. Wonderful. Wow. Hello. Hello there, little fulgurite. Lightning strikes the island of Hawaii. Chicka-pow!